Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group on DocuSign. To create groups, click an admin at the top. And on the left hand side, you'll find users and groups. So you want to scroll down a bit and you'll find users and groups. Click on groups and here you will find, let's say, some groups. You can add your own groups here by clicking an add group. Give your group a name. So I'm going to call this team, team Drew, for example, and click on add. And as you can see, the group is created and here you can now assign the users to the group. So I can click on assign users and here you can click to check those boxes on the left side for those users. And yeah, I check the box and now you want to look to the lower left and click on assign. And this user will be assigned to that group that I just created. And that's it. So you can click on a user. Now if you go back to users, you can see on a user profile the type of groups that they're assigned to. So I'm going to click on this account, and if you scroll down, you will see that the users, they're in a group. And if you have more groups, you can just basically search for those groups here and assign them. A user can be assigned to more than one groups as well, so keep that in mind. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.